Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by making sure your phone has mobile data enabled and at least 20% battery. Tethering can drain power. Once done, open Settings and create a Hotspot SSID and a secure password so your PC can authenticate. Make a quick decision on connection: Wi-Fi for convenience and speed, USB for the most stable link, or Bluetooth when you need low power. Now move to connect the PC using your chosen method. I'll show each step next. You now perform the actual connection. For Wi-Fi, open your PC network list, pick the SSID you created, enter the password, and check that you receive an IP and internet. For USB, plug the cable, enable USB tethering on the phone, and accept any trust prompts on the PC. This gives a direct routed link. For Bluetooth, pair phone and PC first, then enable internet sharing over Bluetooth on the phone. Make sure background data and firewall rules allow the connection. Finish by testing the connection. Load a web page and run a quick speed check to confirm throughput. If pages fail to load, try restarting the hotspot, toggling airplane mode, or reconnecting USB. DNS or captive portal hiccups often clear with a restart. Make sure to monitor data usage and enable automatic hotspot timeout to save battery. If the PC still won't see the phone, update USB or network drivers on the computer and try a different cable or port.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.